The research says if you want to get better at printing, you have to practice printing. So my quick tip to you today is to introduce a program that's free online called Printing Like a Pro. Click the link below for easy access. The great thing about this program is that it has been made for teachers and for parents, and they have individual workbooks that go through the whole program, why you're doing what you're doing, and how to teach proper letter formation to your child. The other great thing about this program is that it teaches letters in order of difficulty instead of in order of the alphabet. So, starting with the letter A is quite challenging because it's much harder to print an A than it is to print an I, for example. So this program takes you through step by step how to learn your letters and doing it in an order that is from easy to difficult.